Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Walmart.com, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is an item I picked up from Walmart.com. I picked up 3 items from Walmart.com and I had to wait a while to get all of them. This one and the one video before this one I had to wait like almost 3 weeks, almost a month. The very first one I didn't have to wait too long, which was those the horn switches, momentary switches that I got from Walmart. The very small prongs, they were only like 15mm switches, which I'm not going to be using, but this is similar to the last video. It is a horn set. This is going to be a quick little video. We'll do the unboxing on the next video. Just to let you know, all the packaging and everything is missing from this, so you guys aren't going to be able to see that. I had to do the video over again. I had no audio, so I guess it is what it is. But please like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think it is. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.